Guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your Bluetooth name on your car. In this topic I'm showing you on my car, Volkswagen Golf. So let's go. First we need to head up to our screen here and then click on the setting, click on the media section here. And once you have clicked that, so it will interface like this basically. And now what you have to do is click on the setting logo, which is bottom right corner here. And once you have clicked that, so it will basically interface like this. What you have to do is head up to the Bluetooth section here, and then you will see the name here, like here. So I have put it my name as a Heroic Reds. I can change to Superfix, like just like so. Delete it, and okay, and just like that you have changed your Bluetooth name on your car. So let me check and show you guys that it works. So head up to the Bluetooth and click on the Bluetooth section here. So what you have to do is, so basically I'm recording with my phone. In order to check, it will come up on your phone. Like once you connect your Bluetooth to your car, it will, the name will be that you have put it name here. So basically, I hope this video was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care.